Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. First of all, make sure that you click on your left upper side on the profile section. Then select the setting button on your right upper side. Now as you can see, here I have an option for Bitmoji. Go and click on it. Go create my avatar. Now here you need to get your face, and after that I will go skip right now because I don't want to show my face. We'll go and choose my avatar with these dimensions, for example, with green color. Go save, yes. Here you can make the outfits, for example that one. Go save. Now have done it guys, and if I want to change it, I will go again at Bitmoji and now have three options. I will go on unlink my Bitmoji, also have this option, but with editing my Bitmoji would be better, because if I go on the second selection here, as you can see, here you have the options to change everything that you have done it before. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.